You want to change the ear pads on your Astro A50. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and where you can get some upgraded cooling gel ear pads for them as well. Alright, so it's going to be super simple on how to replace these. These are the Astro A50 Gen 4. The ear pads that I'm showing you today are only going to fit the Astro A50 Gen 4. I don't know why, but when Astro makes a new generation, what they do is they flip the magnets. So this works in a way that it just magnetizes the ear pad into the ear cup. But when Astro, if you try to take this ear pad and put it on the A50 Gen 3, instead of being magnetized, it will actually push it away. So how do you know if you have the Gen 4? Is by either looking at the base station. This is the base station that comes with the Gen 4. If you have these many sockets, this is the Gen 4. The other one, the Gen 3 one, is the sockets are not horizontally, they are on the vertical side. And also if you bought it at the year 2019 and above, then you most likely have Gen 4. So let me show you how to install. Super simple. They are unique for the left and the right, so you should know that. You simply pull out the ear pads. These are our cooling gel WC Freeze A50 ear pads, which I'll talk about. And you take the other side. Now let's just choose one of the designs that I have here. This is 90s white, which I really like. On the back of the ear pad, I don't know if you can see, we'll try to make it clear. There is a marking that says if it's right or if it's left. This is the right one. I'm just gonna put it on the right, magnetizes immediately. And then I'll pull our speed racer. It says left right here. And I'm just gonna put it on. And that is it. That's how simple it is to install the ear pads on the Astro A50. And our cooling gel ear pads, as you can see, they look really nice with our new designs. They have fabric on top, PU leather on the sides, and most importantly, a layer of cooling gel on the top and a layer of cooling gel on the inside of the ear pads. This provides for better noise isolation, better comfort, and cooler, longer gaming sessions. If you want to give this a try, you know where to find us. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you want to give our new Astro A50 cooling gel ear pads a try, simply click at the link in the top right corner right now or in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.